Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little unboxing with me. I'm seriously so stinking excited because this is a collab with TRVL design, which is travel design. I found them over on Instagram, which I will put on the screen and I'll list it down below in the description box in case you guys want to check them out. And I'm just seriously so excited. I got in touch with Irene on their Instagram and we are doing a collab and I'm seriously so excited. So be sure to follow me and Travel Design on Instagram. That way when we do a giveaway or something down the line, you can check them out. I'm seriously so excited because they have really stylish travel like bags and everything, and I'm going on a trip later this summer and I figured it'd be really fun and helpful for when I'm packing, which I will share closer to the date. I'll do like a whole pack with me with these bags, so don't worry, you're gonna see more, but I just thought it'd be fun to do a little unboxing today. And of course I will have all the details on what I got listed down below in the description box. So first off, I just want to mention their Instagram page is seriously so cute. They do monograms on their bag and everything, which is so cool, and there are just so many different styles. So the first thing in here is this little note, and here's some of their products in case you guys want to see what I'm talking about. And it just says, "Hi Kelly, so excited to work with you. Enjoy the bags. XOXO Travel and Irene." And then it just basically says it's a new day for travel, featuring our signature collection of lightweight and stylish cosmetic travel bags designed to mix and match. We make packing a breeze for life on the go. So if you're really into traveling, you know these kind of things that make the biggest difference, and I'm seriously so excited to share with you guys some of the things that I picked out. And it also came with two little stickers, which these are seriously so stinking adorable. I have been in love with like the whole little like cat life. Like the other night I watched on Disney Plus the cat Disney nature movie. I'm like obsessed with it. So the first thing I got is the Globe Trotter set, which is a 2-bag combo, and it's seriously so stinking cute, you guys. I love how all of these pieces mix and match perfectly. It'll look so great with my luggage, which you guys will see when I film the pack with me. But it is just this adorable little stand-up cosmetic bag with the little cheetahs on it. It has a black leather handle. I love how neutral it is, and then it has the cutest little keychain tabs over here. And then when you unzip it, it just opens up like this, and I think this will be perfect for just putting like my makeup in when I travel. It has a little slot for up here for anything tiny, and then it's just like a nice big compartment, so it's kind of like stackable and everything. And I think this makes the biggest difference when you're packing for trips because it's kind of like organized and kind of like its own little shape. And then the mini one actually like fits inside of here, which is so cool when you're like not traveling. And it's just a nice little white leather one, and it has the same little zipper pulls, which are so stinking cute, you guys. I feel like these are so preppy too. And then you unzip it and it's just like a miniature one of what I just shared with you guys. So this will probably hold my like bathroom supplies, kind of like my toothbrush and like skincare and stuff. I just feel like this will be perfect when traveling. The next thing I got are their packing squad set, which I'm seriously so excited about. You can see how fun these prints are. So I wanted these for the longest time, but I've just never splurged on them because they can get pretty pricey, and they are called packing cubes. So when you pack your stuff, I love rolling all my clothes and it makes it really condensed and stuff, but this way you can really condense it, and then the cubes fill up, and then you just stack the cubes together, and they come in different sizes. So this is the small one, this is like the medium one, you can kind of tell the difference, and then this is the large one, and they just stack up in your luggage really nicely. They're made for like carry-on sizes, and this is just the really cute black print. And then we have the white one that you guys already saw, and then this one's super cute, and I think this will go with everything. And since my luggage is black, I just figured this would be like the perfect set combo. And again, it has the really cute little zipper pulls, so I'm super excited to use this when I go on my trip. I'll be sure to share with you guys a pack with me so you can see how I use them, but I just wanted to do a little unboxing so you guys can check them out in case you guys have any trips planned, in case you're looking for any new travel accessories. So be sure to check them out. I will have it linked down below in the description box for you guys. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked what you saw, or if you're going to check out their website. I think that would be so awesome. And just a huge shout out to Travel Designs for working with me and sending these over. I seriously am so excited to use these this summer, and I just hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!